What am I expecting? Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of pain. I've already put some ice in the freezer so I can put it on my bum and my tootie later.
Oh, do you still want to come in? Yeah, why not?
Look at it this way, the same hands that have been down my knickers are going down yours. Look at it.
That is an image I did not need.
Well, I think it's quite sexy actually. I think we've shared it. We've shared a moment.
Gert, it's almost ready to go down. How do you feel right now?
I'm a nervous wreck. This is the most uncomfortable position I've ever been in my entire life.
Okay,
I
and
thought you looked great, really.
Well, thank you, sir.
That's okay.
we also have Paul here who's going to have a wax. Paul from Springs. And Willie. Good morning, Willie. Willie?
Anything to meet you guys, eh?
Anything, eh? Well, this would count as anything.
I'm going to look more like Nathaniel.
Okay, Melinda, let's waste no more time.
Here we go.
I
Kat, are
think
you
that's
ready?
pumped.
Let's do it. Oh, this stuff's hot.
Oh, you big
Not
baby.
that hot.
That is nothing.
Hang on, look.
Some nice melon wax. You can't close on me.
How far in have you gone?
I have done the entire anal area at the top. He's lifted like NASA space shuttle.
I was taken advantage of by a very evil woman.
Good morning, Emma.
Morning.
Good morning. You know, I'm sure you ladies are finding this hilarious for the
Yep.
guys.
I am absolutely killing myself. The tears are running down my face. I'm also a waxing therapist, and it is the highlight of my career, waxing men.
Okay, well, listen, we're going to do one right now with Willie. We're going to check back into the waxing parlor.
I think you're being an amazing sport.
I don't even know if I've got hair everywhere. I can't see, you know what I mean? And yeah, I'm nervous.
Where are they?
No.
It's hot. My balling!
But you know what? She told me a piece of my scrotum came off with a
Oh, beautiful.
with the you know, that wax strip. So I'm really, you know, I'm not like
Okay. Okay, well,
This is killing me.
No. Won't do it again. Really, I won't do it again. Even if they pay me, I won't do it again.
okay, well, Paul from Springs is lying down.
And here we
No! Stop! Ouch! It hurts. This is for guys in the
go. The
office.
other way.
Oh, this is too good for words.
That wasn't fun, bro.